is a tiny object, delicate and small, yet it carries a love story that cuts to the bone. It has traveled through 500 years of history, and even today it continues to move the hearts of many. This is the Chicken Cup. Hi everyone, I'm Nunu. Welcome to History Tea with Nunu. Today, I'm introducing a legend valued at over $36 million with only 19 left in the world. How can something so small hold a story so profound? So, as the steam rises from your tea, let us enter this story. Like a fine brew, the first sip is bitter, but the aftertaste is pure tenderness. Our story began over 500 years ago with a lonely young princess named Zhu Jiansheng. His childhood was a nightmare. His father was captured in war, and he was stripped of his titles and neglected amidst a power struggle. In those dark years, war death whispered at every corner. There was only one person who never left him, a maid 17 years. Her name is Wan Zheng'e. To the young princess, she wasn't just a nanny. She was his only secretary. When he finally took the throne as emperor, his first act was to crown the woman who walked through hell with him as his imperial noble consort. Lady Wan had a passion for porcelain. When she lost her only son and he was consumed by grief, the emperor decreed the comfort her, commissioned the creation of the chicken cup. Look closely at the cup. It depicts a rooster and a hen leading their chicks through the grass. Such a humble, domestic scene was unheard of in the court Madrid's imperial palace. The emperor was fulfilling Lady Wan's dream of family blessings. He wanted to tell her, even though we have no children, in this cup we will always be a family of three. This was his most precious, most exquisite gift of love. History often remembers Lady Wan as neither beautiful nor kind. She was criticized for her greed and influence over the emperor. Yet we cannot deny this tiny spark of devotion in the cold flood of history. This love still managed to create a ripple that will never fade. I am Nunu, and the story is finished, but the tea is still hot. What do you taste in this 500-year-old romance? I will see you in the comments.